Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take care of your felt hat. If you're like me, you love wearing a felt hat in the wintertime. As you can see, I've got my tweeds on. This is my bespoke Henry Poole shooting suit. If I was outside, I'd be wearing this with my felt fedora. This is from Optimo. And we get a lot of questions here at Kirby Allison of how do I take care of my felt hats. So we reached out to Graham Thompson at Optimo Hats. They made this hat. They've made all my hats. And they're probably the best hat maker here, certainly in America, if not the world. And we collaborated on the creation of a hat brush, a double-sided hat brush that is modeled after our double-sided garment brush, which is a phenomenal item. So we now sell this online, kirbyallison.com. It's in our garment brush section for taking care of your felt hats. This is a must-have accessory. It's really the only accessory you need at home to care for your felt hats. So caring for your felt hats is really quite simple, and I would say that the best parallel is you want to take care of your felt hats the same way that you would take care of a pair of suede shoes. And daily shoe care for suede simply means brushing it. And the same is true for your felt hat. And so this hat brush is really the best accessory that you can buy to take care of your felt hat. It is curved, as you can see, which allows you to get this around the brim of the hat really quite easily. And it's double pinned, right, with a offset pinned pig bristle that is going to be softer, and then just a standard black bristle, which is a little bit stiffer. So I start off, just with that softer bristle. And again, the goal here is just to really brush out with this natural bristle any type of dust or dirt that is settled on top of the felt. Now, on the brim of the hat, I find is more likely to accumulate dust. I mean, you're grabbing it with your fingers. As you do that, you're always kind of imparting a little bit of dust, dirt, and grime kind of onto the hat. And for that, you really want to use that stiffer black bristle. And again, felt is a very strong material. You can kind of really get into it. And so the best thing you can do is just brush your hat regularly. Of course, my recommendation is to always store a hat in a hat box. All of Graham's hats come with hat boxes. And then at the end of the day, after you're done wearing it, is to simply brush it. So this new hat brush is available online at kirbyallison.com. It comes in this nice box, gift box, and there you go. Of course, the best way to support this channel is by visiting kirbyallison.com, where you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories like this beautiful sovereign grade necktie, pocket squares, socks, braces, and really so much more smoking accoutrements. So if you haven't visited kirbyallison.com, please take a moment to do that now. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.